Hello crafty friends, my name's Alicia, but you can call me Crafty Al. And are you ready for one of my favorite videos of the month? I hope you'll stick around for the SheetLoad showcase to see what my creative team made this month. Welcome, or perhaps welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here today. Each month, I like to stop by and share a look with you at what my creative team made using the latest SheetLoad of cards. And for today, that is July of 2025. Now, if you have not yet downloaded the free printable to find out how you can make 12 cards of your own using just 2 pieces of 12 by 12 pattern paper and some cardstock, make sure to check out the debut video, which is linked in that description box below. And to see how I made my first set and get some tips along the way, you can check out the process video, which is right below that. Once you do create a SheetLoad of your own, make sure to show us your SheetLoad. You can check out that same description box for a link to the updated guidelines video. You can share online at a variety of places or send in a physical card for my end of the month video. After watching this showcase, I'm sure you're going to want to go see some more of these sets up close. So if you haven't yet went and watched your favorites, make sure to check out the description box below for a link to this month's playlist or the channel link list. And at the end of this video, I'll have that playlist as an end card. For myself, I think the playlist is the easiest. It's just a one-stop shop for all of the July 2025 videos. I know that everybody would love for you to stop by, see what they created, and leave them some love if you haven't already. Before I start sharing those cards, I do have a quick reminder for you. This past December, I went live each morning from the 1st through the 24th and got crafty with my advent calendars. After some input from subscribers, I decided to spread the love throughout the year. So I have been going live each month in 2025 for the Advent all year long live stream. This month, July, I had a little Christmas in July celebration where I announced the winners of some fun little prizes. I'm going to show you what those are here in a minute, but I just want to let you know that if you are one of the lucky winners, you do have until midnight on July 21st to claim your prize. So make sure to check out the July live stream. I will put it as a little card up here in the top right, and it will be linked in the description box below. If you haven't had a chance to watch those live streams, whether live or on replay, I thought I would show you what I've created so far this year in case you would like to check those out. I will have the Advent all year long playlist linked down in the description box. You can go do that when you're done here. Just like with my special album for the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar, which I did a separate daily series for in 2024, I decided to go with making a Polaroid for each of the months in 2025. So here is a look at the pages I've created so far. I create one to keep for myself in the album, and a live viewer can win the second one I make. I have to say, I think maybe the July 2025 is my favorite. So make sure to check out that video and find out if you're one of the lucky winners of the Bubblegum Bonus Christmas in July prizes. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 4 prizes I gave away earlier today. In honor of my favorite tag die set that I use in my December series, I gave away 2 fancy tag die sets from Pink and Main. These 2 prizes have already been claimed, but the other 2 I gave away are some layering stencil sets from Tailored Expressions, and these 2 are still waiting for their winners to claim the prizes. So again, if you earned any of those bubblegum bonuses, whether it was during a live stream or in the comments on a replay, make sure to check out that video. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the creative team cards for July 2025. Up first and brand new to the team is Lauren of Lauren Taylor Made. She created a set of musical cards this month. I love that image and how she created her own vinyl record pattern paper. This nautical set was created by our other brand new team member, Tracy of Not Afraid of Color. I just love those papers and the fun, bright images she's used. These definitely seized the day. Beth of Bourbon Creek Crafts used the July 2025 sheet load to create this set of succulent cards. I love those big, bold focal points. Carmen, who shares on the Choose Joy with Carmen YouTube channel, created a set of 12 birthday cards that I don't know if you agree, but I think these are very sweet. Chelsea of the Creative Chelsea channel created a set of floral cards this month. I love how she has rotated the sketch for her set and that big bold floral for the focal point. Up next is Toby from the Bitty Penny channel, and did you know that this layout was inspired by her? Last month, June 2025, we used it to make 5x7 cards, which are her favorite, and this month I altered it for an A2. I absolutely love her set with those cute little puppy and kitty images. Yvette of the Yvette Olea Creates channel made this set of zesty birthday cards. I love those pattern papers and the bright, fun colors. This next set of cards was created by Beck Ann of Beck and Sam Crafting Fun. For her, she went with kind of a storybook animal theme, and I love how she has added some stamping to the card base on the border. Letty of Party Planner Papery, whose set was featured in this month's thumbnail, created a set of beautiful cards in which she also rotated the sketch. I love the touches of gold. And last but not least is the sheet load of cards that Ashley from Mint Twist Cards created. She has used a variety of patterns, focal points, sentiments. Make sure to check out her video to get some great tips on how to use up your scraps. Wasn't that another fabulous showcase? Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you agree, and now you can go and check out your favorites by using the links in the description box. Until my next video, I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch all the way to the end of the video. I hope now you'll consider clicking on one of the videos or playlists I have linked above. And if you are interested in any of the products or tools I used in today's video, I do have some links in the description box below.